Hey guys, so I'm like everyone else when it comes to Lares. I think I'm mostly hybrid in a T1, but old Dave finally got me talked into this A5 and ended up buying one. And holy cow, this one's got 370 in it, but I'll just demonstrate a little bit for you guys. You can hear some of the sound on this thing. It'll scream on top. You work it all the way down to the smaller ducks. Them single cut feeds. And then you can get into it. Feeds like a fast feed, rolling feed like a dream.